this video, we will learn about cooling tower efficiency. Cooling tower plays a major role in process industry. They reject process heat from the cooling water to atmosphere, and keep the water cool. The performance of the cooling tower depends on various parameters. In particular, approach and range. Cooling tower approach. The difference between cold water temperature and ambient wet bulb temperature is called as cooling tower approach. Cooling tower range. The difference between hot water temperature and cold water temperature is called as cooling tower range. The calculation of cooling tower efficiency involves the range and approach of the cooling tower by the ambient wet bulb temperature. In the ideal case, the cold water temperature will be equal to the wet bulb temperature. This is practically not possible to achieve. This requires very large tower, and results in huge evaporation, and windage, or drift loss, resulting in a practically not viable solution. In practice, the cooling tower efficiency will be in between 70 to 75%. Cooling tower efficiency is equal to hot water temperature minus cold water temperature multiplied by 100, and then divided by hot water temperature minus wet bulb temperature. Or simply, cooling tower efficiency is equal to range divided by range plus approach multiplied by 100.